Again to another video tutorial. So right now I'm going to teach you how to download music in iPhone without using computer. This is a very easy tutorial. You can stream your music for free. I have been using this application for a year now. This is really recommended to all the iPhone users. You can just download it via app and then we can download the music in there. So I'm going to guide you the steps on how to download the music in your iPhone for free. Go to App Store. You have to search private. Okay, then open. You can search here youtube.com. Let's try Beautiful Scars. Okay. And then just click the video. So try to search or go back again and then try another one. Let's say I love this one. Okay. So again you have to click download and go to downloads. Once you click see the computer it's successfully downloaded. One more thing, you can also use this application. You want to connect it with Bluetooth devices. If you want to put that in a folder, click this folder with the plus sign. In here, new songs or anything what you want to create. Click create. You go back again. If you want to, you can click the edit and then select and then click this folder and then new songs. So click move. It will be in your new song folder. So you can just try again and again what kind of music would you like to install, and then you can create a lot of folders you would want to, and then it's all up to you. Let's try to use it without a Wi-Fi.
Time, two time, three time, I can't wait no more. Fingers
stop. And if you want to resume again,
still my head is on my mind. I know it's been a minute since you walked right through that.
So by the way, you have 3 gigabytes for free in this application, so you can download any music you would like. If you want an audio file only to reduce the size of the file, because right now if you can see if there's a video it will be 18.4 MB. If you want to convert it into audio only, you can just click convert to audio, click, and then it will be converted into audio only. So the file size is already 2.5 from 18.4. So at least you can save a file size because you only have 3 gigabytes for free in this application. For 3 gigabytes, you can already have like 100 of music. It's all up to you what would you like, an MP4 or an MP3 file. So I hope this helps you out. Like if you want to have an offline music, then this will be very helpful. And I hope this helps you out in your sound tripping. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can subscribe in my channel and you can hit the like and send a comment. Please subscribe in my channel for more video tutorials. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.